hello. If you have an apartment or you live in a small house, there is no excuses why you cannot start planting your own fruits and vegetables at your house. And the reason I am saying that is because I have grow bags and I have 6 of them. What I have vegetables planted from anything from carrots to green beans to peppers to cucumbers and tomatoes, and also the strawberries. And what I did, I started with an egg carton. I put my seeds and worm castings together to get it started. Then I bought a few bags of the Burpees compost. So there's no dirt, it's only worm castings and Burpee compost starter. And I started this the week after Mother's Day, because in the Midwest we always get frost and it kills your plants. So this way I have learned that it's the best time to start. But like I said, once again, there shouldn't be a reason why you cannot start a garden. You can start it on your balcony, grow your own fruits and vegetables, and have tasty and delicious fruits and vegetables. Well, if you found this video helpful, all I do is ask that you like it, subscribe to my channel if you like the content, and you guys have a great day. Bye.